They're gone.
Who's gone? What?
Your life.
पहले मैंने sorry बोला ना. I'm sorry guys. People in Mumbai will understand, but the traffic is very bad.
मैंने नहीं हम दोनों ने
नहीं मेरे को एक चीज बोलो. First of all, what happened? Why were you so late?
global warming.
No, so what happened was this is going to be very boring for the people, but we stuck at Oberoi Mall for half an hour to start with, and then 20 minutes another red light, and then Vile Parle.
So intro or bear today for tomorrow.
But we got here on train. We had to abandon our car.
Yeah.
Actually, the
We
truth
get in
is
first class.
no. The truth is that these two
Are the best.
they went that they are even in the film.
Yeah, because he plays in the pan.
But the truth is that these guys stopped
For what? Just finish your story quickly.
for they stopped. I can't say for what यार. सब कुछ बता दूंगा यार तो क्या है?
Stop.
But they stopped and they thought that they'll take about 10 minutes out there, 15 minutes. But I think एक और करके सुहाना मौसम है. I think it became about an hour. So
Yeah.
anyway, we're all here now
Yeah, we are.
except our friend Nakul
Yeah.
who's in Bangalore.
Who's always in Bangalore?
He'll be joining us on FaceTime. He said.
Oh, great. Okay.
Not good.
So अभी वरुण.
Yeah, so
let's
basically
talk
I'm
about the
sorry.
film.
Yeah. And you should be too.
Global warming.
So the film is called Tu Hai Mera Sunday.
Yep.
They all.
Varun, take it away.
Okay. The film is called
You Are My Sunday.
It's called You Are My Sunday.
That's the same thing.
Yeah,
Guys,
see-
मुझे माफ कर दो और sorry.
Yeah. Guys, we're going to BFI now. It's-
Yeah, we're going to be a
BFI.
fire. That's a big
English
deal.
में बात करना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Hey, this
Yeah.
is Your
Hey,
My
जय तेरा
Sunday.
British accent निकालना है क्या? कैसा?
We're going to London. That's about it. Would you like to have some takeoff?
This is your South
Mumbai accent. Consonant accent. Okay.
Yeah.
No, wait. One
Yeah.
else. Varun,
So,
let's
yeah,
talk about
wait,
the
wait.
film.
Yeah.
What's the name of the film?
It's called Tu Hai Mera Sunday in Hindi and You Are My Sunday in English. And
What's it about?
it's
Global
about five friends who get together every Sunday to play football. Like I'm telling you, like you don't know.
No.
And one of us is missing.
You were the
so-
only one narrating the script.
Yeah.
Okay,
and,
scene
This
number
is what
one.
he would do. He would always read the script to us and he would say कि भाई ये part मैंने पढ़ दिया है. इसके आगे का part जय पढ़ेगा. इसके आगे का part विशाल पढ़ेगा. I never got a chance to read the script, so whatever I've done, the film.
Then you
is
turned
It's
out
impromptu.
But that's the
He's a
reason.
brilliant actor.
Yeah, that's the reason you turned out the best. Yeah,
Absolutely.
जब आप film देखोगे, you'll realize that.
Actually, when we got out of the screen the first time, everyone was scratching each other. You were awesome. You were the best.
ये उसका खुद का writer है.
लेकिन Avi has played two roles. Avi has played two roles in the film. That's how.
Yeah.
One is himself, and the second is his hair. They're two different characters in the film.
मैं सच में चकना हूँ.
अच्छा. But Varun, बता रहा है. What is the film about? यार? अरे यार सबको पता.
अच्छा एक first Varun, I think you need to say hi to many people from different countries and
Hi to all the people from Turkey.
and from Egypt.
Hi to all the people from Egypt.
Any other countries there that have to write about
Fiji.
Fiji Islands.
Yes.
Uh,
Sri Lanka, Australia, New Zealand, Canada.
it? And I think you tell people that there's a delay of 2 minutes from what you are doing to when it comes on live.
Oh,
So
guys.
a lot
So
of people
basically,
feel
you.
you're not saying hi to them, but actually it's
They lied to us.
Yeah,
It's
but
not
they'll
live.
find out when they find out. We can't.
What
help it.
is it? It's a
But
script.
we are deferred live,
It's
basically.
a deferred live.
Yeah.
So that we cannot fix
2
it.
minutes only, but. मेरा हाथ इतना बड़ा लग रहा है.
so first एक काम करो Varun, एक flying kiss दे दो सब. One flying kiss. One. Mwah.
एक ही तो दिए.
जय तुम्हें दे देना.
अरे किधर है?
अरे,
विशाल को भी दे दे.
जय दे देना. जय.
अच्छा जय अभी थोड़ा cleavage.
I know, but somehow a man with a beard giving a.
They've already had enough of
It's a
flying
flying
cut. So why should we give them flying kisses? Yeah,
Okay.
please.
Okay, now what is
Great.
first? I think one second. What is the film about?
Milan, can we talk about the film? If that's
Yeah,
okay?
please talk
Can you
about
not
it.
disturb us?
Yes, sorry.
You know, the director keeps disturbing us. Before a shot, he says action. While we're in the middle of the, he says cut.
अरे
I don't understand what he's
विशाल,
doing.
मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, film तो होते
हाँ.
रहेगा. कल तू किधर गया था? वो खाने का जगह मिसल.
अरे
यार, मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं है.
अरे मिसल पाओ.
Actually, भूख लग रही है. Our
They were
producer,
stuck in traffic for 2.5 hours.
our producer doesn't give us khana.
Yeah.
I'm ordering something. क्या order करूँ?
Global warming.
अरे that day वो that spinach वो जो chili cheese
Guys, would
sandwich.
you please
Is
suggest
it,
what should I order?
why?
for
वहाँ
myself?
पे हाँ, it was awesome.
Huh?
I was actually
Hi.
we're coming
There's
back.
somebody else missing who wants to say hi to
Nakul!
everyone.
Hey! Okay, I think we'll just move it. That's Nakul.
Yeah, he looks sick right now, but he's otherwise good to
Okay,
you.
That's
that's
after
perfect.
the film, okay?
Yeah, this is not what he looks like in the film.
Yeah.
He's
Mernosh.
Mernosh in the film.
And
What was your name in the movie?
he's not only
Dobby.
Mernosh, he's off-center also.
That's okay.
Go online to hear us.
And now you're gone to the dark. He's
Can't
been-
see him.
This is his look for the Dark Knight.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Now the Dark Knight rises.
Yeah, he's very influenced by Martin Scorsese movie.
Yeah. So there, that's
Now,
not.
by any chance, are you going to
Is there any place that we can?
Listen, do one
Do
dialogue.
that, do that cup, na? Or do the back of that
just want to
poster.
imitate a certain...
Yeah, please, Nakul.
Nakul, please, yeah.
Just one dialogue.
Oh, there. Oh, this is perfect.
Nasir Saab.
Nakul is with us.
एक dialogue बोलना नकुल सबको.
Sir, Nakul, since nobody is talking, maybe you can tell
Yeah,
everybody
please, yeah.
what the fucking film is about.
It's about global warming. Loving your lovelies.
Be loud, Nakul. You have to scream, please.
We are all ears. Nakul.
Park. Talk about the film, yeah. People don't know about the film.
We're all quiet.
Hi.
Hi.
You're just a head.
Talk about the film. Nakul,
Can you talk about the film, please?
can you talk?
Are we getting...
Did he say-
We should get a director only to talk of the film because.
Yeah, I haven't heard you talking about the film ever, Milind.
And he has a better idea
Okay,
about the film.
but I got a great idea.
Yeah.
Guys, listen. Since we are going to London.
Oh, Nakul fell.
Nakul, are you hurt? Nakul, did you get hurt?
Are you...
He just said so.
Hey, nice cap. I've seen that.
That's my cap.
I'm saying that
Yeah.
since we are going to London,
Yes.
why don't we tell everybody in London to meet us
Where?
on the 15th and the 16th of October in London. Where? At what's the
Outside
venue?
View Cinemas near Piccadilly.
View, as in
View.
the view.
As in the
Yeah.
view.
As in the view. Yeah.
VUE.
VUE. Okay, so it's not the view. Okay.
What was that, Avi? Avi is saying that all the pretty girls, all the single pretty girls, please meet Avi, room number 305.
And all the beer
I
drinkers,
don't have
please
room
meet
number
me
8,
with
but
a
I would
bottle of
definitely make
stout.
sure everyone that gets it.
I want Guinness.
So I just went out for 2 minutes. Did you talk about the film?
Yeah,
we did. Or pause.
Yeah.
Varun is showing the wrong finger.
The producer is saying,
What's
beautiful
happening?
finger.
Yeah, View West End,
Yeah.
Screen 7 on Saturday, 15th October. The premiere is at 6 o'clock in the
इसका accent आ गया.
So
this
this
is
is the
we
first
are
time
going
he's
to be
read
there.
something for the film. Huh? He's not read the script so sincerely, boys.
Dude, impromptu.
So we are going to be there on the 15th and 16th at the View, and the second day is Varun.
Haymarket Cinema.
Haymarket Cinema. So we'll be glad to see
See
you
what?
guys. And people are gonna come see the movie also, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Of course,
yeah.
you can buy tickets.
Okay, yeah, buy tickets.
So
okay.
go to the
15
site.
I like how the
September.
director mentioned specifically they can
Buy
buy
tickets.
tickets.
15
Yeah.
September.
15th September and 16th September.
No.
Hey,
15th
October.
September.
15 se tickets are available. 15th onwards.
Okay, wait. That's the tickets are available from 15 September onwards.
Got
On
it.
what's the site? What's which site?
BFI London.
On the
BFI
BFI
London.
London site. That's a
Yes.
British
Yeah.
film Institute website, and our film, which is called Tu Hai Mera Sunday,
You Are My Sunday.
is going to be airing on the 15th of October at 6 p.m. at the View, and it'll be awesome if we can meet them about an hour or two earlier.
Yeah,
before the
we'll
film
actually
or
have a
after.
meeting.
An hour earlier.
An hour early, okay.
So that Varun, our the producer of the film, and Milind, the director of the film, are going to give you all the details on the page Tu Hai Mera Sunday, which, by the way, you all should all go to and like and
Yeah.
keep commenting. And if there's something that you guys want to ask any of us, and even
This guy, yeah.
Nakul, who's a brilliant.
Who just I just remembered was still there.
Please also write something about global
Nakul, can
warming.
you please do an imitation? Come on.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. It's a good thing. It's a very good thing. Don't worry.
Lucky bastard.
Nakul is in California right now. He's shooting for the sequel, the sequel of the third sequel of Terminator.
Of the Jungle Book.
You're saying
Jungle Book. We have a big announcement. Nakul is the new Mowgli.
Varun, I thought Nakul is a very good fit for a movie.
No, not really. He could be a Balu.
Right now.
Bagheera.
Ajay, that's it.
do we have any comments, Varun?
Milind, can you tell them a little about our film?
Yeah.
please do that.
Yeah, Varun, why don't you-
I don't know. I don't know if it's a good idea. I don't know. I don't know.
So let's make it different. We'll tell you what happens in the end of the film.
Correct.
Just talk about the characters, each of you.
Yeah. So let's do one thing. Each of you guys, one by one, just say what's the name of your character and what the character is.
How we start?
Domina.
No, you start your character, yeah.
Okay, let me do each other's, yeah.
I think let's do 10, 20, 30, 40.
What is that?
Achha, whatever.
You play.
Tash.
You play
Hey!
20, 30, 40, 50, 40, 80, 90, 100.
Time बर्बाद मत करो तुम लोग.
Start.
Arjun.
Please.
Yeah, I'm playing Arjun.
Come on.
I'm saying talk
Seriously,
about
yeah,
Arjun.
bye.
Yeah.
I'm playing this character called Rashid. He's a guy from Mumbai. The film is based in Mumbai. The film is about Mumbai. So all the characters are from Mumbai. And yeah.
It's a very multicultural city.
He forgot his character actually.
Yeah.
His character
Script पढ़ा ही नहीं तो
I promise you, Rashid is much better. I promise you. No, While he thinks about it, Varun.
My character's name is Arjun Anand. I am playing the character is like super like that. It's
He
a
remembers
lot like
surname
me.
also?
What do you mean? You don't remember your character's
No,
name?
I don't remember.
So he's a very sorted,
Guy.
nice guy
Man.
like me, and
That's not true.
it's so his part of the story is his whole journey from where his job takes him and where he wants to be in life is horrible.
It's so horrible.
Enough.
Yeah,
Just remind me. I don't ever want to narrate a script to
Everyone is out of character right now.
On that 8-hour flight from here to I'm not sitting next to
You
him.
read the script thrice now.
Jay, what's your character?
I'm playing Jayesh,
I don't want to give away anything.
and he's a Gujarati.
Hmm.
Period.
Okay. Nothing against the Gujarati community, we love them.
I am a Gujarati as well.
Yeah.
Nakul.
Sure you are.
Vishal,
He doesn't talk about your
Nakul,
character.
talk about your character, bro.
My character is this very
Can you hear him?
a very Parsi man. called
Very Parsi,
Feroz-
yo.
Feroz
very
Bhatia.
Parsi.
No, I'm holding it.
Who unfortunately doesn't have the love for food that Parsis do.
Oh,
I mean, he eats noodles for God's sake.
क्या depth है.
But that's the only.
Guys, are we talking about the same film?
Quickly, Dommy, talk about enough. You're not here. Get lost.
Okay,
He's giving away too much information.
I'm playing a Christian young man in the film. My name is Dominique, and I have basically, I hope I'm saying this right, the Oedipus complex, maybe, with the mother and all that stuff. I'm trying to be over, but basically, I live with my mother.
That's true. He definitely put him on.
I live with my I live with my mother, and I'm trying to find my own place, like all these guys are.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
It's
जगह.
a
अपने खुद की जगह.
jaga.
Yeah, so the film is
The
basically,
whole film is about Jagga.
if I understand correctly, because I've not read the script, the film is about these 5 guys and they struggle to find their own spaces.
After doing the film,
Yeah.
you're asking if I understand correctly.
Is that true?
It's like gravity.
Gravity.
Sir,
अबे gravity कहाँ से आ रही बीच में?
Sir,
Industrial
please-
revolution, gravity क्या चक्कर
Please
है?
come back from California, sir. You're spending too much time there.
Yeah, and get rid of weed.
Yeah. On your face, huh, basically.
What?
We're lagging there. Yeah, so what were we talking about the film?
About the film.
About a film, it's a fun film. It's about us finding our own spaces in life,
And to play football.
and
There's our struggle to find a place to play football in a city, in our city, that's Mumbai.
hey, but the music,
Yeah, the music.
fantastic. I mean, really.
Milind is a very talented man, Bobo and Milind both.
Nothing?
No, we can't even play like a snippet for them. Not nothing.
Like, no? Keep them again.
But it's something to look up to.
Yeah, I can't.
Something to wait for.
क्या है can't?
Music.
अच्छा. I can't. He's saying I can't ask questions.
Yeah.
They need to understand that space in Bombay comes at a premium. Like
Right.
there is no space left in Bombay.
Right.
Correct.
So that's why we are growing vertically now.
Like in Bombay there is no space.
No, I get it.
Yeah.
Like if you want to play a place to play football now, you have to go out into the sea. You have to be like Jesus.
Right.
Is that what your attempt on the beard is?
So that's what the
Are you attempting to be Jesus by any chance?
yeah,
Acha, coming back, the music is also excellent.
It
I
is
mean, really, it's fantastic. I wish we could make you listen to it, but we can't right now.
Yeah.
Can we not?
Varun has told us,
What?
producer Varun has said that we can't.
Very strict people.
Even we can't actually.
But this is awesome
No,
that
I
we get to
can, I
reach
know.
out to them
Course.
and to do like a one-on-one with them and
Yeah, sure.
some way communicate with them and to tell them that look, we're
I
very
think you
excited.
guys are totally useless without any script or dialogue.
We need a director. We need a director. We are actors.
He was just dying to come in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Hi!
That's
Yeah.
Milan.
Our director.
Mr. Milan Daimare.
We already introduced him.
Producer, director, love and faith.
Correct. Thank you very much. Acha, a lot of people are asking Varun why wearing pink again. What is this? Is it something?
Oh, I never think about picking
Colours.
something.
Think about pink.
Think
All
about
right.
pink. Yeah.
So anyway, this is just the start. This is just the beginning of this whole thing.
Hi to Australia.
Yeah.
Hi to Australia.
Canada.
Canada.
New Zealand.
Canada.
वापस कर Canada.
Punjab.
Hi to Canada.
Canada कैसे करेंगे?
देखा है? He's been tormenting us like this.
Canada.
Hi to Canada.
He's actually pitching us.
बोल रहे सत श्री अकाल पंजाब बोल रहे हैं.
He's
So-
pitching me in.
Number one is, despite of what these guys said about the characters, it's a good film. I'll have to rehearse with them carefully on all this whole thing about that. But anyways, thanks for coming, and we will keep this live stream thing going on for the next couple of months. You'll be meeting.
Is that out of worry?
We'll get better at it eventually.
And he will come out of the phone eventually.
Sometime.
So, say bye. Say bye.
Bye, bye,
No,
Nakul.
Nakul, say bye.
Just hang on.
Bye, Nakul. Yeah. And.
That's how our director shuts up.
And so yes, we will keep having live streams. We will all take you to London
Yeah, you all will come around.
on the net. And and if you guys are in London, please come and get in touch with us. Meet us, buy the tickets,
And come and see our film.
and come and see our film.
Yeah.
And we will tell you more and more about the film. Reveal more and more things about the film. Hopefully, we'll not show the film here, but in the theater. And so yeah. So say bye. Everybody say bye now.
Sale of tickets on 15 September.
Yeah, 15 September.
15
onwards.
September.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
One highway to Lebanon.
Hi and bye to Lebanon.
Global
Hello,
warming is not
Lebanon.
here.
Hello, world.
I have no fans, but
I'm your fan, Milan.
See ya, my ladies and gentlemen. See you soon.
It's a long goodbye. Bye.
Jay Upadhyay, room 306. Somewhere in London, fine.
We
Only
lost
50 pounds.
250
1 hour.
viewers.